What up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So right now it's kind of late already, but we're gonna be dropping off the truck today. We're gonna be dropping it off at Ruiz Customs. It's a shop that specializes on bagging trucks, dropping trucks, customized fabrication. So what they're gonna do to my truck is they're gonna do front tubs so I can clear the 24s, and then we're gonna talk about maybe doing the doghouse in the back of the truck, so it covers up the hole where the C-notch or the step notch is at. And I also got my baby filter just in case whenever I get the tubs, if there's not enough room for the cold air intake, I'll just replace it with this little filter. But we'll see. It's just in case. But yeah, we're gonna all drop it off today, so you can work on it tomorrow morning, and then hopefully you'll be done by Sunday. Today's Friday, so we'll see you guys. Catch you guys when we get there. Perfect. What up, guys? So it's the second day. I just got out of work. I'm gonna go pass by the shop right now because I dropped off the truck yesterday. But yeah, I'm gonna pass by the shop, drop off some money, stop by and check out, see what the progress on the truck is. Probably not a lot, you know, it's only been a couple of hours. Like, I dropped it off last night, probably came in this morning. Probably the fenders are off, we'll see. But yeah, guys, for sure we're gonna get the doghouse at the back of the bed, and we're gonna do the front tubs, and then I'm gonna ask him to cover up the holes by the bumper. I'll explain it more when I'm there, but yeah, so catch you guys when I get to the shop. También le iba a decir que si el cold air intake no cabe, le compré un filtro chiquito para más ponerlos más aquí. Así, pero para que no tener tambor regado aquí, para que no se haga feo. Ahí me avisa, pues me saco foto a ver cómo sale. Para poner esto, ocupas unas clavos. Creo que aquí en la caja viene el adjuster, ¿no? Sí. Here's the face adapter. Perfect. Perfect.